Hey, how's it going? ODC Strength. My name is Amari. I'm sending you this video because I'm an SEO and I'm looking for a business to partner up with over in Owensboro. And I came across your guys' website. So after looking through it, I think we would make a pretty good partnering team. Um, like I said, I saw your guys' website on Google, but you're on the fourth page of Google, on the top. But really, the main place you want to be is here on the front page of Google. If someone types in gyms or fitness or training, you guys want to be the top result for whatever those keywords are. So you want to beat out Owensboro Athletic Club. These are the guys that you do want to beat out to get this top spot and also to get in this map pack. And after looking at what these guys are doing, there's some really simple ways you guys can outrank them on Google in order to take this top spot and potentially get some more clients. So like I said, I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks on how you can improve your SEO, and then hopefully this video provides some really good information to help you out. And I'm looking to have a conversation with you guys in the near future, if you're interested in learning more about what we do. So the first thing that Google does like when it's crawling a website, what Google does, it crawls a website, it looks at all the words, images, whether it's a map, all the coding, and that's how it determines how the business should rank. And one thing that Google does love is text, is content. Content is key in SEO, and people get intimidated by content, but it's really not that difficult, especially for an established business. So if we come over here, for example, and we typed in horses in Google, which I already did, um, you see the first thing that pops up is Wikipedia after some horses video. The first thing that pops up is Wikipedia because these guys are the authority when it comes to information on horses. And the same thing can be said for anything else. You can type in a house, and there again, Wikipedia is the first thing that pops up because they are the um, the authority on anything house related. So that's why Wikipedia, Investopedia, and all these other places that provide really good content gets placed at the top. And one thing your guys' homepage is missing is content. You do have some pages for contact and maps and some stuff down here, but Google just wants to see it on the page so that it can crawl your page and definitely give you guys a much better ranking. The website is good. The website is well put together. You just need quite a bit more content in order to outrank your competition. Owensboro Athletics. They have pictures. They do have some text, but it is not a lot. So you can beat out their homepage with just some simple tricks. The next thing that you want to do is work on your backlinks. So if we come over here and look at your backlinks and look at your domain, you see you only have 2 referring domains. These are websites that basically link to your website. It's like a vote really in the eyes of Google. You can see these are the websites that are linking to you guys: weightlifting, chains.com, and loginee.com. These are the only 2 ones, and you can see that just these 2 websites are not giving you a strong trust flow and a strong citation flow. The larger these numbers, the higher you will rank on Google. So this is really the probably the most important thing when it comes to getting your website to rank is finding some good quality backlinks. If you look at your competitor, Owensboro Athletic Club, they have a trust flow of 25, and a citation flow of 25 with 13 links. So you can see this is why, they're beating you guys out. Their trust flow is higher, citation flow is higher, and they have more domains. So that is a key thing to getting you guys to rank, and I can definitely show you how to find those backlinks and how to find good quality backlinks also. The next thing that you wanna do is if you're not set up already, is you want to get a Google My Business account. The only way to get into this top 3 is to have a Google My Business account, and that's where you can put your website link, directions based on the address so people can pull it up, your phone number, hours of operations, everything like that. The things you normally put on Yelp or other websites like that that aggregate the information. And Google loves when you use their programs like the GMB, but they also love when you have other people use them as well. So you can see the businesses that are on here are businesses that do have, you know, some reviews. And even though this is not something that, you know, is going to make or break your SEO, but if a customer comes in and they see these reviews through the Google platform, and they're more likely to actually call or, you know, check you guys out because they can see that people have left reviews. So you definitely want to make sure you put that on your things to do to get your business to rank. So those are the 3 quick tips I wanted to share with you guys. Like I said, you can definitely come here and beat out your competitors. It's just putting a bit more content, and a lot of this is free. This is just work that has to be done, but to get your website to rank, this is not something that you yourself can pay for. Even though if you do pay for it, you can get the results done much quicker with a higher quality, and, you know, you dealing with the less headaches. So hopefully this video provided some useful information. Again, my name is Amari. I'm looking for a good reputable business to work with over in Owensboro, and I think you guys will make good partners. So when you get this voicemail, just please give me a call back. You can reach me at the following number, 859-488-1621. And I'd love to have a conversation with you guys, or, you know, answer any more questions that you might have about SEO and about how to get your business to rank higher. So hey, thanks, have a good day, and stay safe.